apply this to my heels in the summer and no longer need to visit a beautician. I never would have guessed that a simple potato could be used this way. Combined with a few surprising ingredients, it gives amazing results. All you need is a fresh potato and a grater. Grate it finely, then place the grated potato into a strainer over a bowl and squeeze out the juice. Now take a lemon, cut it in half, and squeeze the juice from one half into the same bowl. Lemon acts as a natural exfoliant. Add a tablespoon of salt, which cleanses the skin and works as an antibacterial agent. Add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste to the mixture and stir everything well. What you now have is a homemade remedy for cracked heels. Dip half a lemon into the mixture and rub it thoroughly onto your heels for 5 minutes. Leave it on for another 20 minutes. The result? Even after the first use, the skin becomes noticeably smoother, and with regular application, the heels regain softness, elasticity, and a well-groomed appearance.